So you want to know how to run ads on YouTube? It's pretty straightforward, really. And especially in today's AI world, everybody's making videos with AI, right? To run a YouTube ad, all you have to have is a Google Ads account, a selfie video maker like your phone, and then just talk to your customer base. Whatever your purpose is in running the ad, you just want to pull it together, have something short and sweet that catches their attention to say on the beginning. Then you want to share with them what it is you're offering, and then give them a clean call to action as to where they're going to go, the landing page. And so then you go into your Google Ads account and you select ad without a goal or a campaign without a goal. Then you go to True View video ads, and then you can choose whether you want it to be in shorts or in the feed. But I would go on desktop and mobile. Typically I deselect the TV section. I also tend to deselect Google Partners and keep it all right on YouTube. And then plan for about $30 a day is the ideal amount for most business owners. If you're a small business owner, if you have a service-based business like a lawyer or a doctor or a painter, a home improvement contractor, $30 a day will get you a ton of views. Now, here's the magic about running a YouTube ad is that when you set it up, then you get to select who's going to see it. You always want to select the location and then get into the demographics, the age group, how much money the household earns yearly. And then finally, you want to get into how it's programmed to be seen, whether it's a keyword search or a topic or an audience. You have lots to choose from, and it's real simple. Just take your time, select on what makes most sense to you. And then finally, you're going to have to already have your video uploaded to your YouTube channel. So then you're going to take the link for that specific video, and when you're setting up the actual ad, you're going to pop it in. Then you're going to fill out a description of the link, in other words, a headline, and then you're going to want to send the traffic to your landing page. So make sure you have your landing page link as well. A lot of people are just using their websites. However, I would recommend that you make a very specific landing page for the outcome you want to have. There's lots of pieces of software out there for that. And the reason why you want to do that is because ultimately you want congruency. So you want to go from the ad right to what you want them to give you, whether it's an email, a phone call, whatever it is. And then finally, there's a lot more strategy behind this, but the simple methods of getting it up and running is just to get those views coming and get people clicking through. But once you get really good at it, after you get your first 15 conversions, and this is why you want to have your conversion tracking set up, so your Google tags and other tracking available out there, have that set up, and then, that's okay. And then what you want to do is, after you have 15 conversions, then you go back in and you change how the video ad is running on YouTube. So you go from the actual True View start, or in stream if you will, then you want to shift it to max conversion. And then after you get 15 to 30 conversions a week, then you want to change it to a cost per action. And at that point in time, you've got this thing dialed in. It's predictable. It's growing your business, and you're going to love it. Hey, if this is a little too complex for you to just get up and running and you don't want to experiment with it on your own, give me a call. Click the link down below somewhere in the description. Book a call with me. I'm Joe. I own Rebel Video, a YouTube ads agency. Would love to get you on board.